Good morning, guys. Hi, friends. It's Aya. How y'all doing? Tara, may intro na. So, this will be a two-part vlog. One for today and one for tomorrow. So, I hope you guys stay tuned for this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. So, yeah. Hi. Hi, guys. Right now, it's 1:03 and I'm watching the 100 series. I'm gonna start preparing because I'm excited. We are celebrating with Papa for today. This will be a two-part vlog, meaning tomorrow may magiging, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko siya ma-upload, pero tomorrow, August 31, I'll still vlog. Magkakaroon pa kami ng another celebration sa mismong birthday ni Kuya, which is August 31.
Pinatay ko yun dahil mahal kita.
Okay, hi everyone. We're about to leave na. Ay, ganda. Mag-hi ka, Kuya. Papahay ka.
Oy!
Yan, di rin nakain ng gulay. Oh.
Ayaw yung kimchi, yun na kaya kimchi. Ano ba? Hangin pork.
Happy birthday! Thank you.
Dalawa lang binayaran mo. Binayaran mo. Magulas ha?
OA, napaka-OA. Hi guys, bibili kami ng school supplies. Katatapos lang namin mag-samgyup. Yung manikin, bili natin yung manikin.
O yan, ito. Ayan, automatic.
Ano? Ayoko. College na ako. Alam.
Saan yun?
Hindi ko rin alam. Order na lang ba? Yan, usapan school supplies. Thanks.
Ito na lang kaya. 500.
Ayan, school supply shopping. Yung sinasabi ko.
Outfit check! Bakit 1,000 lang oh?
Suswertehin kaya.
Kaya ayaw makaskas.
Times 2. Ha? Ito alin? Ano na tayo? Mayaman ba tayo dyan? Round 2.
Last one. Tagad mo yung isa pa. Tamang sugal-sugal po.
Tang.
Apa, bumili ka na ng Yossi. May Yossi ba dyan?
FPJ! Ito naman, pinabili pa lang Yossi. Di nga pwede
Yossi
mag-Yossi yan eh.
Hindi jackpot, walang Yossi.
Yes! Very good!
Wala akong pamalo. After mag-samgyup.
Okay guys, we're home. Pasok ko lang mga gamit ko sa room. Okay, so before I change my clothes, gusto ko magkaroon ng mini haul kung ano mga nabili namin. So this is my school supplies kasi honestly, I'm a I will be a I'll be a huwag ko na i-English yun. Magiging college na ako this year and my course is psychology. Of course, hindi naman kailangan ng siguro most of the courses naman out there doesn't require that much of a school supplies. Ano daw? Hindi naman require siguro ng ganun karaming school supplies. So, let me show you what I got. I have 2 white mesh pencil cases. I don't know why I got 2, pero feel ko yung isa magiging makeup bag. I'm just a girl! Then I got, ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite kong bilhin sa mga school supplies ever, which is correction tape. Next is, I bought another pouch. Ito talaga yung originally planned ko dito is a makeup bag. And since nakakita ako ng pouch na may V, I remembered my boyfriend, Vince. Talante, haliparot. Ay, natatanggal siya. Natatanggal. Oh my God, natanggal. Ba't ko ba binabato? Yung kapatid ko naman bumili. Ito kasama dito. Next, I got this highlighters. It's an off-brand highlighters. Sinuggest ni Kuya Stabilo daw. Eh, wala naman Stabilo dun sa bilang-bilang namin. So, that'll do. Binala ko ni Kuya ng bagong payo! Yes! It's automatic siya. Next, I got, pinabili sa akin to ni Kuya kasi cute daw. So, it would, create a conversation. Okay. Next, I got long pad. No, it's not. It's yellow pad. Long yellow pad. Dami kasing kaartehan, may pa. And lastly, I bought 4 black pens na magkakaiba. So, yeah, that's what I bought. Nice haul. So, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know my vlogs recently, or my first vlogs, were very rough kasi obviously, hindi naman ako maalam mag-vlog. Up until now, hindi pa rin naman ako maalam, but still, I'm my best. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, it will be a this would be a 2-part vlog. Today is like Kuya's pre-birthday, which is August 30, and tomorrow will be August 31, which is Kuya's actual birthday. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't mind the background, it's disgusting. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Bye bye.